Easter brunch doesn't have to mean sugar overload. Today, we're building a savory bowl that feels fresh, warm, and balanced. You'll need baby potatoes, asparagus, eggs, olive oil, salt, black pepper, and fresh parsley. Simple ingredients, real flavor. Roast the potatoes with olive oil, salt, and pepper until golden. Sauté the asparagus in a little olive oil until the asparagus is bright green and just tender. Now cook the eggs gently so they stay soft, creamy, and perfectly tender. Start with the roasted baby potatoes at the base of the bowl. They create a warm, hearty foundation. Next, add the asparagus right on top of the potatoes for a fresh, bright green layer. Now we're almost ready to enjoy this bowl, so finish it with the soft, scrambled eggs. Now add a little fresh parsley over the top to bring a bright pop of color and flavor. This is how you keep brunch balanced. If you'd like a few simple recipes to keep on hand, I've put together a free download at yuminasnap.com. It's an easy way to cook without overthinking. You'll find the full recipe in the pinned comment. See you next time.